Asphalt pavement consists of a binder and aggregate mix. The service life of properly constructed hot mix asphalt concrete may reach 20+ years under normal conditions. Unfortunately, roads tend to deteriorate faster than they can be repaired. As pavements age and experience oxidation, distresses such as cracking, distortion,
and depreciation begins to accumulate, destroying the subbase and ultimately disintegrating the road.
At that point, harmful and expensive hot applied repair techniques must be introduced. TL-2000 is a preventative maintenance procedure.
A black viscous liquid consisting of 70% recycled materials is cold applied, which reduces safety concerns versus when hot mix materials are used.
A 1 mm thin layer is sufficient to protect the binder from oxidation, UV radiation, and water-related damages. It can also improve road friction and increase safety. Proven to rejuvenate the binder, TL-2000 is a tested, certified, and patented, globally used solution.
With TL-2000, you're protecting and rejuvenating the existing asphalt surface. The ease of application, rapid curing, and low cost make it the preferred choice for road maintenance companies.
TL-2000 is a great solution for soil road coating, binding with the ground and creating a strong, black water-resistant pathway.
Roads coated with TL-2000 helps prevent cracking, raveling, and subbase failure, extending the longevity of the asphalt 7 to 9 years. TL-2000 available exclusively through Road Soup.